Come on, man, you're kidding me. Okay, so I just recorded this whole video like 15 minutes ago and my fucking mic was not turned on. So man, I need to do this shit all over again. So for those who don't know me, I'm a developer. You can just watch my short that I uploaded. I explain everything. But yeah, so today I wanted to share with you my first SaaS that I built. I've built a website before, like normal website, but you know, I wanted to learn something new. So also this is my first YouTube video ever, so man, if you got any tips for me, it's so hard for me to document what I'm doing while I'm showing it on my screen, and talking in English, it's so like brain consuming for me.
What?
Because for those who know me, I speak French. You can probably hear my accent. My English is not that good, I know. I'm going to talk about my SaaS, my first SaaS that I created back in September. Now we're in November. It's been like 2 months. I learned a lot since then. So yeah, like I've said, I've built a website before, but this time I wanted to push things further and take on something more complex. The first thing that I realized with SaaS, you need to handle user authentication, integrate payment system. It was a challenge, but I was ready to take on it. Let me just show you what I did. Let me start the server. Here it is, my landing page. Welcome to Task Manager, to-do list. You can call it like you want. For this simple animation, I used typewriter. Simple library, super useful, super clean. I love it. And yeah, for the whole design and everything, I used V0. It's so great. You know, you can just type in whatever you want and it will just create front end based on whatever you told him to do. It's a chatbot, but you know, you can just create front end way faster with this. So as you can see, I used Tailwind for my style. I used Stripe for my payments. I'll show you that just in a sec. I also integrated a light and dark mode. It was super easy to do with ShadCN. Super easy to do. You can just go there, dark mode. You choose your stack. I used Next for this, and you can just install theme and you'll create a component, theme provider. My components is there, theme provider. It was super easy to do. And just before, so you can know, I followed the tutorial to build this project. Okay, I'm not a pro developer. Okay, I'm just sharing what I did to you. So if you guys have any tips for me, any suggestion, any question, you can write them in the comments below. I just want to share with you what I've done and what I've learned along the way. Okay, so let me just connect with Google. Boom. I used, for the authentication, I used NextAuth, super easy. I used NextAuth, super easy. I love it. I've built another project using Clerk, but you know, I think I prefer NextAuth because I'm not sure, okay, but I think you have more freedom to do whatever you want with NextAuth than Clerk, so that's why I used NextAuth. I can show you real quick what it looks like for authentication. So here you create an API route, okay, and in my lib here I created the options for my authentication. Here's my options. You know, I can sign in with GitHub or Google. You need to create a new project on GitHub and Google and create client ID. You need to create your secrets ID, okay? Let me just show you how my to-do looks like. I know it's super cool, a to-do list, wow. But you know, we all gotta start somewhere. I can write my task name, I can write a description, I can mark it as complete or not. So let me just create this task. Oh, cool, it's in progress. Okay, so I can just, you know, make this as complete, update this task. I can create another task if I want. I can just create another task. I can delete my task. So you know, it's a simple CRUD, create, read, update, and delete operations. I can just read, I can read it, I can update it here, I can delete it, you know. So that's it for my task. Payment. This was tough. To be honest, this was kind of tough to integrate the payment system. I used Stripe for this. I mean, come on, man. It's kind of cheap, you know, 30 bucks. I could buy more Bitcoin with this. You know. Okay, so let's subscribe now. To test the payment, I just need to do 4242. Let me just put my code here. Oh yeah, man. Boom, and I'm directly redirecting to my SaaS. Like I've said, I used Stripe for this. So here I have a variable called session, and when the payment went through, I have the success URL that redirect me to my dashboard, payment, and success. I'd smell myself 30 bucks. I wish it was true. Okay, so here's my settings, because when you create a SaaS, you need to see your account settings. Here's my Google picture, because I use Google as my authentication. Here's my user ID. Here's my name. I can change it. I can update my profile. Cool. Here's my email. I can even delete my account, and you know, I can sign out. And I can just log in back with GitHub. Boom. So for the backend, I used SQLite. I have all my tables here: account, yeah, notes, sessions, subscription, user, you know, and I use Prisma for my ORM. Very simple to use, I love it. But I just seen on YouTube a guy that uses Convex, I think. Is it that? I think I'll learn this. It seems easy and really fast. I think I'll use Convex for my next project. Here's my table for my backend, you know, my subscription table, notes. So this was my real first SaaS. I made this whole project in a couple of days. No, but it was very cool. Oh no, I need to blur that out. I can show this. So yeah, man, this was my first YouTube video ever. I don't know if I did great. If you have any comments, any idea, any suggestion, please let me know. Okay, I'm starting out. Right now I'm learning a little bit about blockchain too. I'm creating a cool project right now with Solidity and on the blockchain, so you know, I'll probably show this in a future video. So if you're working on a similar project or have any questions about the technologies that I used, feel free to drop a comment below.
What?
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to follow my developer journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!